Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring one of the most colorful and scenic Barcelona attractions, Park Güell. It was designed by the renowned architect Antoni Gaudí. This park is something you may consider visiting when you are in Barcelona. So let's dive in and discover if Park Güell is something for you. We decided to use public transportation, get into Park Güell, and of course, we were not staying near downtown area. Fast forward to our adventure, we decided to take the subway, and then we realized there is a short walk, maybe like 15 to 20 minutes. I thought, no big deal. Why not walk a little bit? Knowing that it's going to be a beautifully amazing architectural park, I decided to wear a dress. And boy, was I punished for doing that? Yes, I was. I did not account for the uphill walk to the park. What seemed to be a simple stroll turned into a sweaty battle. Still, we were able to make it to the park. We just had to take a few minutes to catch our breath before taking any pictures. Welcome to an amazing Park Güell. Unlike all of the other prepared tourists, we started from the back of the park, making our way from nothingness into amazingness. And no worries, we used the main entrance for the exit. Overall, the park seemed very curated. They had people in different areas that were navigating the traffic. So, say if you went downstairs, you could not go upstairs the same way. You had to go all the way around or in circles to get to the point where you just were 2 steps ago. Starting from the back entrance, our first stop was the Greek Theater. It was amazingly large area where I assume they had some type of shows or different performances. It's stunning. So this is the place to take pictures. All of the benches are made with the mosaic, and you can see the main entrance from the up down, as well as the views of Barcelona. Definitely stay there, take pictures, wait in line if you have to get as many wonderful shots of you as you can. Our next stop was the Hypostyle Hall. Is that how you say it? This is a covered space initially conceived as a market with 86 fluted columns. As we walked down this area, we had no idea what it was. You can definitely find all of this explanation online on the park website or in Wikipedia if you wish to. Just look and decide if this is something for you, if this is something you want to experience. That's why I'm not going into details on what those areas are called or how historic they are. You can definitely find this out yourselves. And that hall brought us down to the monumental staircase. That staircase was
the most popular place in the whole world at that time.
So many people trying to take pictures, so many people asking you to help them to take pictures. You will be facing challenges. It's not a place where you can just sit down and relax and feel like it's all for you. No, you have to fight for it. Because we came from the back, by the time we got to the main area, to the main entrance, it was almost impossible to move around. And then when I say impossible, I mean imagine yourself at a concert where people stand side by side next to each other and there is no place to move at all. You like a huge wave moving together. That's how packed it was. There was just no music. Anyway, we decided to make one more loop to see another area that we missed. This made us walk in circles quite a few times because we realized that we didn't take enough pictures and we had to go back. Just letting you know that take all the pictures and everything that you can before moving to the next section. We also visited other areas of the park, but something needs to stay off this video, right? So it encourages you to go and visit the park. You will see a lot more areas to explore. Now, let's talk about helpful tips for visiting Park Güell. First, wear comfortable shoes. There is no way around it. So much walking, going up and down the stairs. If you want to look cute, try to wear flats. That would help. Second, make sure to bring a lot of water. Barcelona can get really hot and you need to stay hydrated. Don't forget to bring snacks. There is a cafe at the bottom at the main entrance, but do you really want to stand in line and wait for a little snack? Bring it with you so you can munch on something as you tour in the area. Also, arrive early in the morning. I would say that closer to 10 a.m., the park started being very crowded. A lot of people came and we were really bumping into each other. Also, by being crowded, I mean that if you're trying to take a picture of yourself, be ready to have someone else's body parts in it. But later on, as it got closer to 10, definitely 11, the park was absolutely packed. We didn't have a chance to take nice pictures at the entrance, at the stairway, and other areas. We got our tickets online, so that was not an issue. Tickets are selling out really quickly. So make sure to go to their website and book it if that's what you're planning to do, because you don't want to go there and realize that they have no tickets or they sold out. This also helps to avoid long lines.
We also saw a lot of different groups with tour guides explaining all of the architectural importance or what the things were made of or how old they were. We were not into those type of tours, so we didn't take one, but just be sure it's an option.
Park Güell is a magical place. If you're looking to take vibrant pictures, this place is definitely for you. This vibrant park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and showcases Gaudí's unique style through its imaginative architecture and beautiful mosaics. So, thank you for joining me in exploring and covering Park Güell in Barcelona this time. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please
Like, subscribe, leave a comment.
I hope to see you next time. Have fun and keep living your life to the fullest.